Now that the power plant is gone, our hope is that a lot of the illnesses will start to subside. My name is Marie Harrison with Greenaction for Health and Environmental Justice. We're standing in Bayview Hunters Point right now, and from this advantage you can not only see the power plant, but you can also see the Hunters Point shipyard, both very contaminated sites. Both are in the process of being cleaned up. If you know anything about Bayview, you know that our shipyard is one of the worst contaminated sites of all.
We're standing close to the former PG&E Hunters Point power plant, and when every other group gave up and couldn't continue the fight, it was Greenaction and public housing residents from Hunters View Public Housing that kept the fight on.
Today, protesters gathered in front of the Hunters Point PG&E plant. They accused PG&E of refusing to set a specific date to close the 77-year-old plant.
Greenaction was founded in late 1997, not by professional environmentalists, but in discussions between just grassroots, regular community folks from urban, rural, and indigenous communities who came together and wanted an organization that they would be part of, that they would lead, and that would fight like heck for people's lives, for health, and for justice.
I live here, I work here, and I pray here. If it had not been for Greenaction, much of my community would have been really in the dark of a lot of the dangers that were going on. The level of the sea is going to rise. As a matter of fact, in some areas in Bayview, you can actually tell that it is rising. And along those areas, there are very toxic sites that are being capped. Those sites are going to be flooded. They're doing a massive amount of building houses without enough cleanup going on. I've raised my family here. I have children in my family that actually grew ill from being in the community. I looked for an organization that would stand toe-to-toe with these agency folks, and Greenaction was that group of folks. They were very bold and very brazen, my kind of folks.